Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Simply Shipra. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all just another day in my life. It's morning time and Vihan and Satvik has just got up, and the first thing we do when they get up is to sit with them, cuddle them and talk to them for the next 10-15 minutes. In fact, my mornings are incomplete without these cuddles with them. And these 10-15 minutes which we spend with them in the morning really plays an important role in keeping them happy, relaxed and comfortable throughout the day.
Good morning.
लेट्स गो। क्या करना है सात्विक को?
Lego.
लेगो।
No Lego.
सो
Christmas.
क्रिसमस। ओके गो।
No Lego.
ओके then let's go.
After that, they will freshen up and play for some time before they begin with their daily routine. It is their me time wherein they will do whatever they want to do for the next 15-20 minutes. And I firmly believe the way me time is important for us, it is important for the kids too, as they feel fresh and active after that, which in turn helps me in keeping their daily routine on track. And here they are, dancing and playing with their favorite toy. It is something they are enjoying a lot nowadays. I love watching them just little bit of their time and see how happy and playful they are. And who doesn't want to see cheerful kids in the morning? Once they are done with their playtime, it is time to begin with their routine. So generally they start their day with a glass of warm water followed by a fruit. At the same time, I will serve them their breakfast too. So today they are having boiled egg and toast along with their milk. I did not peel entire egg for Satvik because nowadays he likes to peel his own egg, so has left little part of it as it is so that he can do it on his own. And look at this naughty Satvik. What is he doing? He doesn't want to eat his egg. He just wants to eat the bread toast right now. And see how he kept his plate aside and took Vihan's plate to eat whatever he wants to eat. But don't worry, mommies, I will feed him his egg. Vihan is done with his egg now and he's having his milk right now. And you can see Satvik has already peeled his egg and started having the same as well. In between, he has to follow whatever his brother is doing. If he is doing some drawing, he has to do some drawing. If he is doing something else, he has to do that also. So here he is learning making circles, standing line and sleeping line. Satvik is 2.5 years old, although he eats on his own, but sometimes he needs my assistance to finish his meals. And the best part is they are happily sitting and enjoying their meal time without bothering me much. They are done with their morning meal. Now they will play and do whatever they want to do before they get ready. So it's their playtime again. What are you doing, Satvik?
Coloring.
Coloring? Oh, which color?
What?
Red.
Look! Button!
Mountain. Wow. Make mountain.
I made button.
Wow. Big mountain now.
Big.
Rub it. So this is how my holidays and vacation goes with them. They both are super active and keep me active throughout the day. But yes, if they are happy and cheerful and their routine is on track, they both play on their own or with each other without bothering me much.
No. Look.
Yeah. So we are ending our video here. Hope you like this video.
And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Okay. Bye.